Have you ever wondered how you get to lift heavy weights without looking like a juiced up fat monster? In fact, strength to weight ratio is something that powerlifters are the kings at. But really, it all comes down to a specific type of exercise that combines strength, hypertrophy, and agility that lets you break through your plateaus, whether it's in powerlifting, bodybuilding, or calisthenics. By shedding light on your athletic physique while getting stronger, weighted calisthenics will change your life. So in this video, I'm going to reveal what is weighted calisthenics and how you can do them at a low cost and without any gym membership, for exercise that you should include in your routine, and what are their bodybuilding or calisthenic equivalent. Let's pull up our way into it. First, let me tell you a quick story on how weighted calisthenics are just plain epic. So back in the summer 2022, me and my cousin decided to go to a party because I wasn't feeling too well at that time. There we played social games like ping pong, and as the night advanced and more drinks were getting poured, well, the cockiness amongst the men started to rise. Since we were in a garage slash shed type of building, right, there were some wood truss over us. And yeah, of course, we've decided to show off our pull-up game. So we did a bunch of pull-ups, but I didn't feel like I gave a good show. So I go ask the nearby girlfriend of another guy and tell her to hang around me and on me and that I could pull her up, right? I think I did like 3 reps with her attached to me. And then I look to my right and I see the skinny boyfriend that's just completely stunned from the sheer fact that I pulled his girlfriend 3 times. Needless to say, she was really impressed. He was really mad, and everybody was amazed and cheered me on. But that whole scene is due to my hardcore love for weighted calisthenics and pull-ups. Without that, I wouldn't have been able to pull out that stunt and look like a freaking Chad. So what are weighted calisthenics and why should everybody have it in their routines? Weighted calisthenics, simply put, is doing bodyweight movement but with added extra weight on your frame. The nice thing is, almost every calisthenic movement can be done weighted. But the best part is that weighted calisthenics can help both your standard calisthenic movement from increasing the foundation muscle power and break through your hypertrophy and powerlifting plateaus from strengthening your muscle, your joints, and your articulation in a new and efficient way. Furthermore, with weighted calisthenics, it's so easy to progressive overload and enjoy linear gains forever. The reason is you can always put the right amount of weight depending on where you are, and that ensures progress to reach your genetic potential. I also believe that what's most impressive is that, eventually everybody, skinny or fat, can get to lift heavy weights, but not everybody can actually lift themselves up with added extra weight because it's so hard, and that is a goddamn supreme flex right there. And now how can you actually do them at a low cost and without any gym membership? That's really easy. You can get a weight belt on Amazon for really cheap. I think I got mine for $24 and I don't have any affiliation, so really any cheap weight belt will do the job. There are also weight vests or ankle weights that you could buy or could be actually accumulating some dust in your shed or in your garage, right? Now, if you don't have any money to spend but you have a backpack around, well, simply fill that backpack with heavy stuff or plates or dumbbells, and then you can take your backpack and weigh it on your scale, right? Then if you really have nothing but you wanted to weigh the calisthenics in your gym, well, sometimes what I do is I take the dumbbell, put it between my thighs, and bang out some reps with the dumbbell. Other times, if you're at home, you can use a sibling or a cousin, put it around you or on you while you do your push-ups, and that will act as extra weight. Plus, it's super fun. It will surely make them laugh. Before showing you the exercise that you need in your routines, if you need help to have an effective training program for muscle building, bodybuilding, calisthenics, and overall aesthetics, well, I can make you a personalized training program for you and your needs. I also offer you a free physique review where I tell you your strength, weaknesses, and what to focus on. You just have to click the links down below and fill the appropriate form. For the next part, we'll check which exercise you need to implement in your routine and what are their equivalent in different lifting methods. First one on the list are weighted pull-ups. These are great for your latissimus dorsi, also known as lats, trapezius, teres major, real deltoid, and biceps development. This strength will easily transfer itself to anything back related. I'm talking about deadlift, lat pull down, dumbbell rows, muscle ups, and normal pull-ups. Weighted pull-ups are really the key to have a wide, strong, and chiseled gorilla back. there's just no way around them. Second one on the list are weighted dips. Probably one of the few moves that will actually break your bench press plateaus in a matter of days. Look, this one targets your triceps, front deltoid and your lower chest to some extent that you never knew. It will help you with the lockout portion of your bench press, hence why I bench 315 at 172 pounds for the first time. And at that time I was doing between 90 and 135 pounds weighted dips. So these dips will help you with your bench press 110%, any tricep push down movement and any presses, right? Dumbbell presses, overhead presses, handstands, etc, etc. The third one on the list is the forgotten exercise that will really skyrocket your calisthenic prowess to the next level, and that is weighted push-ups. I mean, we've pretty much all started working out by doing secret push-ups as a teenager in our rooms late at night, but sometimes, you know, the simplest move is what is gonna bring your physique to the next level, and that means doing push-ups with extra weight. You will surely get sore from them, plus they are the foundation of harder push-ups variation, just like the planche, tuck planche push-ups, pseudo planche push-ups, and one-arm push-ups. And for fourth, I can't skip legs here, hence why I put weighted pistol squats on there. Look, pistol squats are one of the biggest flexes that calisthenics athletes uses against other lifters because it requires flexibility, power and coordination, and you can actually become the king of them by doing them weighted. That will greatly help with your one leg power as both a calisthenic athlete and a power lifter. In conclusion, weighted calisthenics are the missing piece in your routines whether you are a bodybuilder, a powerlifter, or a calisthenic athlete. If you ever find yourself stuck in a plateau, make sure to include them in your routine to bust through it. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video with a friend that needs to upgrade his routine. Also, don't forget about the personalized training program that I can do for you and the free physique review in the description box down below. But for now, this was Nick Clapp. Here we never peak because the best is yet to come. Peace out!